Okay, so I'm going to build a fuel injector tester slash cleaner, and what I got is a power supply, and it's putting out right about 12 volts. So that's that. And then I have an Arduino Nano microcontroller and a MOSFET, so with all the wiring and everything. And I'm coming over to GM 3800 fuel injector, so basically driving the MOSFET is driving that. So the rundown of the code is basically I'm generating a random number, random delay. My output is on pin 6 on the Arduino. I'm telling it that there's going to be an output. Pin mode is PWM as an output, and I'm going to tell it to send a couple of things out through the serial port. It's going to read the analog voltage input on the Arduino and just come up with a random seed going to pin 2 and pin 6, but I only really need pin 6. So the random number is going to generate a number between 2 and 4, and then for the actual number, and then the delay is going to be between 25 and 300. So I'm going to digitally write this random number, tell it to go high, and that's going to turn the PWM output on pin 6 high, and then have a random delay, and then go low, and then digitally write it low for a random delay, and then I'm going to print that results out on the serial port. So to see that, actually, I'm not going to be able to see it. But anyway, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and turn on my power supply. The output is going to be about 12 volts. And what you're seeing is the output, digital output, is flashing this at a random number and a random delay. And flashing that blue LED. And if you listen real close, you can hear the injector clicking. So the next thing I'm going to do is use a plastic container, a DEF container, and an electric fuel pump. And I'm going to turn the electric fuel pump on, and it will pulse that, and that will be able to see the spray pattern going into a container. So that's my do-it-yourself fuel injector cleaner. The other thing I can do is I can rewrite the code for specific on time and specific off time. So if you have a stuck injector, you won't be able to hear it clicking, but if it does work, then you will hear it clicking, as you can hear in the video.